the size of your circuit of this size to this one. So you see very narrow one.
Narrow, okay.
Before we check that.
Yeah.
Okay. So you need it on the inspiratory limb.
Limb.
So whenever you buy the SLE 5000 circuit, it will always be integrated inside. So no worries with that. Okay. So I just explain the ventilator here. You have continuously 8 liters per minute going through. So you have a base flow of 8 liters per minute.
8 liters.
Yeah. So if one day you give some NO, nitric oxide, to the patient, you need to know the base flow. Okay. So the base flow here is 8 liters per minute. So what is doing the ventilator is continuously you have 8 liters in the circuit, continuously. Okay? And to make sure that you have some gas going to the patient, you will have another flow here, which will go that way. Okay? So because you have some gas going that way, what will happen, the pressure in your tube will increase, so then you will have some gas going to the patients. It's how it works. And to work properly, we need this one. Just to let you know. So this one is fresh gas to the patients. It's going to the humidifier. From the humidifier, going to the patients. And here is your expiratory limb. So it's similar to the other one, except this piece. Okay. So this one here is a pressure line. So we measure the pressure really right at the airways. And this one is your flow sensor to measure every tidal volume, flow, compliance, everything is done here. So here on the ventilator, to turn it on, this one, you press on this one, we have already done it. So here is green, is telling you that it's on. Okay. Here what you have on the ventilator, you have the date, you have the time, okay, and this one is the first window that you will get. So the first thing that we need to do is to calibrate the flow sensor, because 80% of the monitoring comes from the flow sensor. So make sure that you don't contaminate, so you do it with some gloves or some gauze, I don't know, whatever. Here, just... So you just need 0 of flow, so you need to occlude both. And you just go to calibration utilities here, and you see flow sensor. When calibrating, occlude both ends of the flow sensor. You just follow the instruction and you start calibration. It takes a few seconds. It's done, completed.